University of Arizona's Wyant College Optical Sciences is expanding with the new state-of-the-art 7-story Grand Challenges Research Building, a $99 million project. For this cutting-edge facility, they selected Newport Optical tables as the foundation for their research. Over 50 Newport Optical tables are being delivered, ranging in size from 3 foot by 6 foot all the way up to 5 foot by 10 foot. To better meet the needs of research and development work, some are doubler tables or customized to accommodate different sizes and shapes. Learn more about this story in the coming months and hear the voices of the researchers working with Newport Optical tables at the Grand Challenges Research Building.